Hey everyone, it is Friday, January 24th, 2025. My name is Patrick. I'm a disabled investor and I like sharing my portfolio to help others learn from my mistakes. I think I'm doing okay today, but I might have made one at least today. I'm down about $2,500 today to $120,000 and change. Bought some shares of an ETF called BITO, which is a Bitcoin futures product, and that's my first exposure to Bitcoin in my portfolio. It produces a monthly dividend, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it works out. I also added to my position of Apple options for a way out of the money call that I have, but I'm optimistic that this is the year that Apple is going to continue climbing in value. So I'm holding on to it until I make some money on it, and I believe that's going to happen because it already has. It's a long-term option, a call option for $300 for Apple, and I'll show you that not much else has changed in my portfolio today. As I say, 120,000. And if, as always, you like my content, please give me a subscribe. Love to have you follow me. Thank you. There is my portfolio. As you can see, it's down to 120,000, down about $2,500 today. And I don't really have an explanation other than some volatility. Nvidia has lost a little value today, as has ARM and some of my other holdings. As I say, I don't really have a good explanation for why things kind of dropped on me today. In terms of activity, there we have it. I'm calling it BITO, B-I-T-O, an ETF that holds my first exposure to crypto, which is a Bitcoin futures product. It generates income from Bitcoin futures. I bought about 28 shares of that today. I sold some shares of my VUN total U.S. Stock market ETF in my tax-free savings account, and I added some BITO to that account to the U.S. TFSA today. I also bought an additional call option for $300 for expiring in January 2026 for Apple, $300 call option. I got it, I believe, for quite the deal today. In terms of performance, let's take a look here. Again, I underperformed the market today, but outperformed in the last 5 days, last month, last 6 months, year to date, and over the last full year. So I'm still confident that I'm doing the right things, but confidence is tempered because I do hold some ETFs as well that are broad index ETFs, so that I can kind of weather the volatility a little better. Hey, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, maybe share if you can think of anybody who might benefit from my content. And if you have any questions, comments, ideas, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment. Cheers. Have a good one.